everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is another vlog. I feel like I haven't uploaded one in a while, but I always say that and have ended up uploading like 3 in a week, so I have no idea what my upload schedule will actually end up being like because I keep making random spontaneous videos that end up going up before things that I filmed weeks ago. Today is a Saturday. I think it's the last Saturday in June, is it? It's Saturday 27th, making it the last Saturday in June, yes. I think that's weird, you know, because I'm still stuck in the mindset that it is like March, April, and all these hot days are like flukes, when really, it's summer. I feel like my brain has just frozen time as soon as lockdown started, and now I'm confused that time is still moving. As I was saying, today's going to be a really chill day because although I've got a lot to do, it's quite nice stuff to do. I'm just going to be drawing all day, which I'm really excited about, and I've been putting off for ages. So these drawings are all for a video for the StudyTube project. Basically this video was like meant to be ready in March and it just wasn't, and now it's not going to be up till July. I can give you a bit of a hint as to what these videos are because I just happen to be wearing pyjamas that match. If you can tell who's on these pyjamas, you may be able to tell what I'm about to draw. I'm gonna get set up with my breakfast, and also I'm calling Viola at 10:30, so that's in 10 minutes. Basically I woke up at like 9:15 and have just been in bed on TikTok and stuff. So now we're actually getting up and getting a move on. It's just starting raining. Love that. All set up on my desk. I have my very continental random breakfast. I've got my fruit, but then I've also got baguette with aioli. Yeah, there's gonna be a clash of flavours here. It's really raining.
Days are long, your car won't start. It's hard to fix shit with the
he's definitely alive. His bum's moving.
It's not what it seems. Man,
Mission Save the Bee is go. I've not even finished my breakfast.
It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps ya, I'm here with ya.
Is PJ mad? It must be ill.
Yeah, maybe. Or maybe it doesn't want to fly in the rain.
But why is it lying down with one of its wings like...
Maybe it doesn't want to get wet, as you said.
Yeah, it's just protecting its head. I was on the phone to Viola for 2 hours and 15 minutes. That is the length of my GCSE English language exam.
Okay.
Why did I say that? It is absolutely chucking it down outside.
It's raining now.
Like absolutely chucking it down. Like before it was just raining. Now it's absolutely chucking. You can't even see. It's 1:45 anyway, so I'm gonna go and eat. I'm really hungry and I'm not entirely sure how our conversation lasted that long, but it did. We've just not seen each other for ages. It's actually stopped raining now. It's like a weird flash rainstorm. The drains overflowed as well. I'm having a ready meal for lunch.
Hello there.
Because I'm not in the mood to cook. The ready meal takes 12 minutes to cook. So while it is cooking, I'm gonna read some of my book. I'm reading The Colour Purple. I think I've probably said this in a previous vlog, but I'm getting through it quite fast. I'm on page 141 already, and compared to Wolf Hall, which was the last thing I read, it just reads so much faster. But then it is all diary entries, so that's not surprising at all. Like half the pages are literally just half pages, and it's not quite as dense as Wolf Hall. Like it's much easier to read. Like I don't have to go back and reread pages, which is really nice. It's also very thought-provoking, and again it's historical fiction, which I actually didn't know when I bought it. I was just recommended it and then bought it off World of Books without really knowing what it was about, but I'm really enjoying it because kind of the deep south in America is just something I don't really know a lot about of the history. It wasn't on my syllabus. It's more history than archaeology. Anyway, let's read.
I'm worried that you'll look at me different. I'm worried that this will all change. I'm worried about keeping you safe. I'm worried that I'm not that lucky. I'm worried that they never gon' love me.
I've just scrolled for an awfully long time because I know I'm meant to be doing the hoovering. I need to go hoover now. I've already put it off for an hour and achieved nothing in that hour. Well done me, as usual. Hoovering is actually such a workout. I am sweating. I'm quite fit as well. Maybe I'll go for a walk because my camera needs charging, so I've come on a walk with just my phone. It's looking a little bit dark over that way, but I think for now it should be fine. I've got my umbrella anyway, just in case. But I thought, why not have a chat while we walk? I don't really know what to talk about though. Maybe my masters. I could update you on that because I know a bit more now. I think last time I was a bit in the dark about what really was going to happen. So they're pretty. So it's going ahead as normal, or at least as far as I'm aware, as far as they're aware, it's going ahead as normal and everything will be pretty normal. They might put some lectures with bigger group sizes online, which will be fine because it's just lectures, you know, we'll get the exact same treatment with the lectures. For classes and labs, they've said they're basically gonna probably try and halve the classes, or even more than halve the classes, and do more classes. So basically we'll still get all the time, there'll just be less people in the lab at once, which is good. It's probably actually very positive because that means you get more time with the teacher. So that's quite exciting. Essentially they said they're going to do a big mix between online and normal in hopefully the best way possible. And it's not really going to change too much. Some of the courses unfortunately didn't run last year because they couldn't do them distance, and I'm just hoping that because they're the courses I actually want to do, classic, they'll be fine next year, hopefully. I haven't heard back about my scholarship applications yet. In fact, they haven't even closed. The deadlines for the scholarship applications, I've applied for 2, don't close for another 2 or 3 days. Yeah, 2 or 3 days. So not going that way, there's people there. I've probably got another month to wait for that, and I don't know when. I really don't know when I'll find out. I'll look through some of the societies that they've got on offer, and they've got a circuit training society which I'm gonna do. There's a car. He was really staring at me. Let's just pretend you're on FaceTime. They also have a bone club, which is for the Canon students, so it's to help you with the osteology part of the degree, so I'm excited for that. And I'd quite like to do adult gymnastics because I've coached gymnastics but I haven't actually trained for ages. I know there's an adult gymnastics class for all levels in Milton Keynes, which is near enough. I am back from my walk and a packet came for me whilst I was out. I have been expecting it. It's not clothes, it should be a selection of vegan like protein bars and protein bite thingies. What this should be is like a whole box. It's one of those subscription boxes where you get like 10 every month. Yes it is. So it is from Pale Snacks, and basically they do subscription boxes every month. This is gifted. I'm not gonna lie, I reached out to them and told them that I was really interested in trying new protein stuff, so yeah, I genuinely am really interested. Oh, it tells me what's in it. Amazing. So I've got some protein bars and also some like seeds and things as well. I'm gonna actually film the opening part.
Take a hit, take a hit, take another one. Hold your breath till it turns you on. Let your feet leave the ground, hold my hand and don't let go. Take a trip, take a...
I'm actually so hungry. I was literally about to come home and get a snack and now I've got 10 to choose from and I don't really know. I'm a bit lost for words. What do I want? So I could either have caramel chocolate and peanut brownie bar. I think I might have this. This looks amazing. Or there's so many things in here. I don't know where to start. Well, I'm glad I was not out in that. I'm gonna do some editing now. It is on my to-do list to do a bit more drawing, but I'm in the mood for some editing at the moment, and I do need to get a video ready for Monday because I've not edited any of my content for next week yet. Time for tea now, which is great because I am so hungry. Join me about 2 hours later than my previous clip, in fact more than that. It is now 9:30. I really haven't done anything for the last 2 hours. I've just been scrolling and editing photos. I have drawn the outline of Jack's picture that I was meant to be drawing all of, but didn't. Oh well, I have at least done some of it, so that's a start and I can finish it tomorrow. But I'm just going to carry on editing this video because I was really enjoying it before. I just had to take a break from editing to get some new music from Thematic, which is a free music kind of database thing where you can have the whole song, and they're really good non-copyright songs. You just have to say who did them in the description. So I'm going to carry on editing now because I've got the music that I want.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living.
Hi, it's 1 AM. I've only just finished editing. In fact, I'm not quite finished, but I'm done for the day. I've nearly got through a whole video, the whole vlog. It takes so long to edit. I don't think people quite realise. Vlogs in particular take ages because maybe I'm just a perfectionist, but I like it to be very in sync with music. I'm whispering because everyone's asleep, obviously it's 1 AM. Unfortunately my editing software has kind of crashed, so it didn't let me save it, so I just haven't saved it yet. I've just closed the lid of my computer and hoping for the best tomorrow morning. Hoping it can sort itself out overnight. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!
It's easier said than done. That guy